In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads account. Start by opening your browser and going to ads.google.com. On the home page, click the Start Now button. You'll be prompted to sign in with a Google account, use an existing work account if you have one, or create a new account dedicated to advertising so access and billing stay organized. Next, you'll be asked for your business name and your website URL. Enter the official name customers know you by and paste the primary URL you want to promote. This helps Google tailor setup recommendations and will make linking future tools like conversion tracking smoother. If your site has multiple versions, use the one your customers see first, such as the root domain or your main landing page. You may be offered the option to link other Google properties like YouTube or your business profile. These connections can improve reporting and ad formats, but you can safely skip them for now and link them later once the account is live. Google often nudges you into creating your first campaign immediately. If you'd prefer to finish account setup before launching ads, look for a way to skip or leave campaign creation. Sometimes it appears as a smaller link, such as leave campaign creation, or it might appear after clicking next once or twice. Exiting the guided flow here is helpful if you want to get your billing and administrative settings right before any ads can spend. You'll now set key account preferences. Choose your billing country, time zone, and currency carefully. These settings lock in and can't be changed later, so match them to where you'll be billed and how your team reports performance. The time zone determines when your daily budgets reset and when reports roll up, so pick the zone your team works in. Enter your business and payment information. Add a valid payment method such as a credit or debit card or a bank account if available in your region. It's normal to see a small temporary authorization on your card. It's only a verification and will drop off. If you have a promotional code, enter it now so it applies to your account from the start. Be sure to check any minimum spend or date requirements associated with the promo. Finally, review all your details. Confirm your organization name, address, tax details if requested, and that your billing settings are accurate. When everything looks correct, click Submit to finish. That's it. Your Google Ads account is created, your billing is set, and you're ready to build campaigns whenever you're ready to advertise.